Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. And today I will give you the some useful information about the MA opportunity in different IITs. So this video will be part A video about the MA degree in IIT through GATE 2021, and this is for only get humanities and social science student. Okay, this video actually is mainly for humanities and social science student. Okay, so I think all of you can see my laptop interface and cursor also, guys. Those who have like already appeared in the get 2021, I will give all the cutoff related videos in the description box. You can go in my description box in this video and you can check, and you can go for every video. Okay, so first I will tell you the MA program in IIT Guwahati. Okay, IIT Guwahati, you can see this department. Okay, Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, Department of Humanities and Social Science. Okay, and you can explore the Department of Humanities and Social Science, and you can see the uh, name of the program. Okay, MA in Development Studies. Okay, so MA in Development Study, actually IIT Guwahati uh, HSS department is very diversified department. Okay, and there are so many opportunity, and the number of student for any batch, that is huge. 48 seats are there. Okay, 48 seats. Okay, so the student who are from different branch and background, like sociology, psychology, history, any of this branch candidate, you can apply in IIT Guwahati in Humanities and Social Science department for MA in Development Studies. I want to show you something which subject background student can apply in IIT Guwahati. Okay, look guys, the faculty information in IIT Guwahati. Okay, faculty information in IIT Guwahati. Okay, faculty information in IIT Guwahati. And one second guys, yes, you can see this. Okay, you can see this, like history, those students who are from uh, this background, they can apply in this domain history. The student of this background, okay, who already like had appeared in 2021 get paper. Okay, they can apply. So some viewers actually asked me what are the opportunity of history background. Okay, so the student, this video actually mainly for those students who are like asking this type of question. Okay, and the student of history who have completed their bachelor's degree. Okay, or like master degree also, they can apply, because you in your university you have learned just a single subject. But in case of this, okay, but when you will get a chance to take this program, this MA program in development studies, you have to read more than 6 and 7 honors paper. Okay, in a uh, single course. Okay, in a single course. Okay, that is MA program in like development study. What are the subject, I will tell you. Okay, if you get a chance to read this program, to get a chance, if you get a chance uh, to study this program, you have to read linguistics, you have to read like economics, you have to read political science, you have to read philosophy, you have to read English literature. Okay, so you have to cover some papers of psychology, some papers of sociology, and some papers of geography. So all this domain, okay, students build all these domain like psychology, political science, all the students from this background you can apply in this IIT. Okay, in this IIT. Okay, in this IIT. So this type of subject background student can apply MA program, for development study. You can apply like, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are 10 domain are there. From these 10 domain background student can apply in this IIT. So this is the big opportunity for you guys. One more important information I want to share with you, that is about like MA program in IIT Madras. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So IIT Madras also offering actually MA program in development studies and MA program in English studies. Okay, okay. Actually, this institute is offering two MA programs. One is MA in development studies, and another is one like in MA program in English studies. And you can go to this respective site. Okay, respective site, and you can explore this domain. One more IIT like is offering like MA program in development studies, that is IIT Hyderabad. Okay, that is IIT Hyderabad. Okay, this you can see this information. Okay, this is the brochure of IIT Hyderabad MA in development studies. Okay, look, admission to MA program in development of liberal arts. So it means that it is a MA program in development studies. The name of this course look like this. Okay, so it was previous year eligibility criteria. Okay, these are the minimum CGPA in your bachelor's degree. Shortlisted candidates must pass a written test or interview, okay, by the Department of the Liberal Arts. But in this year 2021, when uh, the notification will come out in March, there will be like gate option. Okay, there will be gate option. So that is the reason why different IIT actually taking this student by different exam, but in this time they will take the student through gate exam, and that is the reason why IIT Gate Authority introduced this new exam, okay, in GATE 2021. Okay, that is GATE Humanities and Social Science. Guys, IIT Hyderabad is a rising IIT, one of the finest new IITs in our country, and you will get huge exposure, okay, for this domain. Okay, so guys, one more important interesting information I'll share. One more I will tell you in this video. One more IIT that is offering that IIT is offering like MA program in humanities and social science. Okay, that is like IIT Mandi. Okay, IIT Mandi, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Mandi. Okay, okay, this institute is also offering like MA program in development studies. Okay, and you will get huge exposure in this IIT. Okay, so guys, all these four IIT actually they are offering MA in development, MA program in development studies. And one more important interesting information I want to share with you, that is you have read only honors paper in your university or in your respective college, but when you will enter this program you have to cover minimum 7 to 8 honors subject. Okay, like you have to read English, you have to read English literature and psychology and sociology and so on, history, geography and so on. You have to cover all the subjects, okay? That is why this is a rigorous program. This is not a joke, okay? So you have to put more and more efforts, okay? So guys, this is all about today. I will make other MA program uh, like other IITs, like who are offering their MA programs uh, in development studies and other humanities and social science subject. Okay, guys, all these four IITs will take student through GATE 2021. Okay, okay, guys, I think you are getting the most valuable information from this YouTube channel, and that is why I am requesting you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends and press the bell icon so that you will get each and every notification when I will upload any videos regarding humanities and social science. Okay guys, all the best and thank you and tata bye bye from my side. Bande Mataram, Jai Hind.